exploring Europe's diverse climates.
Hey there, fellow explorers. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey across Europe to uncover its diverse climates.
From the sun-kissed Mediterranean shores to the chilly Arctic tundra, Europe offers an array of weather patterns that are as varied as its landscapes.
But what makes these climates so different?
In this video, we'll dive into how latitude, mountain ranges, and ocean currents influence the weather across this amazing continent. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting adventure through Europe's climatic wonders. Overview of Europe's climate. Let's start with a broad view of Europe's climate.
Though generally considered temperate, Europe's climates vary widely due to several geographical factors.
Firstly, latitude plays a big role. As you move from north to south, the climate changes significantly. Up north near the Arctic Circle, winters are icy and summers are cool. In contrast, southern Europe basks in the warm Mediterranean sun.
Mountain ranges like the Alps and the Pyrenees also shape the climate. These mountains act as barriers, blocking cold winds and creating dry areas, known as rain shadows, on one side. Ocean currents are another key player. The North Atlantic Drift, an extension of the Gulf Stream, brings warm water and mild air to Western Europe.
This is why places like the UK and Ireland have milder winters compared to other regions at the same latitude. Understanding these factors helps us appreciate the rich climatic diversity that makes Europe so special. Now let's explore the unique climates of different European regions, starting with the lush landscapes of Western Europe. Western Europe. Welcome to Western Europe, where the weather is as unpredictable as a good mystery novel. Countries like the UK, Ireland, and France are known for their mild, wet climates. But what makes the weather here so unique? The North Atlantic Drift plays a major role. This warm current flows from the Gulf of Mexico, bringing mild temperatures and plenty of moisture. That's why winters are relatively mild, and summers are cool, allowing you to enjoy Ireland's green fields of France's vineyards even in winter.
Western Europe's weather is famously variable. You might start your day with sunshine, only to find yourself caught in a sudden rain shower by noon. This variability is due to the ongoing battle between warm Atlantic air and colder, drier air from the continent.
Despite frequent rain, Western Europe doesn't see extreme temperatures. Summers are pleasant, with highs between 15 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and winters rarely drop below freezing. This temperate climate supports diverse agriculture from vineyards to dairy farms. The mild, wet climate of Western Europe showcases the powerful influence of ocean currents and maritime winds, making this region vibrant and full of life. Southern Europe. Now let's head to the sun-soaked Mediterranean. Southern Europe, including Spain, Italy, and Greece, is renowned for its hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Imagine lounging on a Spanish beach with temperatures soaring above 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the Mediterranean summer, dominated by high pressure, clear skies, and little rainfall, making it a prime spot for summer tourists. But there's more to the Mediterranean climate than hot summers. Winters are colder and wetter thanks to the Mediterranean Sea, which stores heat in summer and releases it in winter, moderating temperatures. Mountains like the Alps and Pyrenees shield the region from colder northern winds, keeping winters mild. This climate is ideal for growing olives, grapes, and citrus fruits, making Southern Europe famous for its delicious cuisine, with fresh produce available year-round. The Mediterranean climate's mix of hot summers and mild winters creates a unique environment that's both agriculturally rich and perfect for those seeking sun and relaxation. Eastern Europe. Let's travel east to Eastern Europe, where the climate can be as dramatic as a historical epic. Countries like Poland, Ukraine, and Russia experience a continental climate with cold winters and hot summers. Winters in Eastern Europe are harsh. Temperatures often drop well below freezing, with heavy snow and icy winds. Think of the iconic Russian winter scenes, vast landscapes covered in snow with temperatures around minus 10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit, or lower in cities like Moscow and Kiev. Summers, on the other hand, bring a stark change. These same regions can see temperatures rise above 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme seasonal contrast is typical of a continental climate, where distant oceans can't moderate temperature extremes. Eastern Europe also has distinct wet and dry seasons. Unlike the frequent mild rain in the west, the east gets most of its rainfall in summer, supporting vast agricultural fields. Eastern Europe's continental climate is a tale of contrasts from freezing winters to hot summers, highlighting the dramatic impact of geography on climate. Northern Europe.
Heading north, we enter the Arctic and subarctic climates of Northern Europe, including Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland, known for their long, cold winters and short, cool summers.
Winters here test your endurance. Temperatures can drop to minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit, or lower, with snow and ice covering the land for months. Days are short, with limited daylight, creating a winter wonderland that's both beautiful and challenging. Summer brings a remarkable change. Although short, summer days are long due to the midnight sun, where the sun barely sets. In northern Norway and Sweden, this offers endless daylight, with temperatures rarely exceeding 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The Gulf Stream moderates northern Europe's climate, especially along Norway's west coast, keeping coastal areas relatively mild even in winter. Northern Europe's climate, with its extreme seasonal changes, showcases the resilience of both nature and its people. Stunning fjords, vast forests, and unique wildlife thrive in this challenging yet beautiful environment. Central Europe. Finally, we explore Central Europe, including Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and the Czech Republic, which has a transitional climate blending oceanic and continental influences. Central Europe's climate features moderate temperatures and mixed weather patterns. Summers are warm, with temperatures from 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and winters are cool, often around freezing. Diverse geography shapes this region's climate. Mountain ranges like the Alps and Carpathians create microclimates, with cooler temperatures and more precipitation at higher elevations. These mountains also influence wind patterns and rainfall distribution. Central Europe enjoys balanced rainfall throughout the year, supporting lush forests, fertile farmland, and vibrant cities. This mix of moderate temperatures and regular precipitation makes Central Europe one of Europe's most productive regions. The climate of Central Europe, blending oceanic and continental traits, exemplifies Europe's climatic diversity. From the scenic Alps to rolling plains, this region highlights Europe's best climatic features. Wrapping up! As our journey through Europe's climates ends, we've seen how latitude, terrain, and ocean currents shape weather patterns across the continent. From Western Europe's mild, wet climate to Eastern Europe's harsh winters, and from the sunny Mediterranean to the icy Arctic North, Europe's climatic diversity is truly remarkable. These varied climates shape not only the landscapes, but also the cultures, traditions, and lifestyles of Europe's people. Understanding each region's climate helps us appreciate the unique characteristics and challenges that define this incredible continent.